Anyone using Simulation Professional or Premium on active subscription gets access to the SOLIDWORKS Materials web portal. We can access the portal when applying a material in a simulation study. It's an external database of materials supported by Materiality. The material properties have been tested and verified through published research and catalogues supplied by various material vendors. We just choose the type of study that we're doing, along with the material model that we'd like to use. In this case, we'll choose the Plasticity von Mises option to represent the ABS plastic. We can then refine our search by selecting the class and subclass of materials before querying the various databases. We then select from the list of available materials and can see the complete material properties, such as this stress-strain curve. The material can then be downloaded in the SOLIDWORKS material format and used immediately in our current study. The SOLIDWORKS Materials web portal gives simulation users direct access to a wide range of tested and verified material data, saving time on research and ensuring accurate results.